Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $330 every day to translate files. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out this channel. It's going to help out this video to go viral. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, guys, I want you to do me a favor. I want you to follow me on Instagram. So all you got to do is just go on Instagram, search for App Grind, give me a follow, and shoot me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos that I post. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this website and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Latham. So when you get to this website, you're going to click right here where it says Explore Projects. And you're going to scroll down here where it says Translation and Languages. And here are the projects. So after you sign up, you're going to have these projects right here that you can complete and make money. So as you can see here, $25, $75. This project right here, $25, $50. This right here, $25 to $100. Now, I just want to show you how it works, guys. So you're going to click right here where it says how it works. And you're going to click right here where it says work as a freelancer. So it says complete jobs and earn now. As a Latham freelancer, you have the ability to highlight your skills, complete projects, and earn in numerous currencies. Post your portfolio today. So you're going to browse projects. So you can browse the available projects. So you're going to complete the project, and then you're going to get paid. So once your work has been reviewed and approved, payment will be released immediately to your Latham wallet. So that's how it works, guys. Now, what I'm going to show you is a website you can go to where you'll be able to translate any language. So let me go to that website right now. Okay, family, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Google Translate. So on this website, you'll be able to translate any language to another language. So for instance, if I put these words here in English, and as you can see over here, I had Spanish selected and it translated to Spanish. And once whatever project you get and they want you to translate whatever language is to another language. After you translate that language on Google Translate, just go ahead and copy this, copy whatever the language is, go back to Latham and go ahead and submit your language that you translated, and boom, get paid. And guys, check this out. You get paid within 24 hours. How about that? So guys, that's the method. Okay, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one more thing before I leave. I do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's comment goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Please keep watching my videos. If you share my videos, keep sharing them and keep hitting that like button. All right, thank you. I really appreciate it, guys. Road to 7,000. Let's get there. Let's go. Let's get it. Now, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and please have a prosperous day.